So the van is built to save lives. The cool factor.
Is this thing on? There were so many damn vans at this Adventure Van Expo. And I mean so many vans. Vans that look like this, and this, and that. After I was walking through dozens of beautiful van builds, they all kind of started to feel pretty much the same. The layouts, the cupboards, the kitchenette. There's only so many ways you can upfit a van for camping. So that meant very few of them felt unique at all, with the exception of one that really wasn't built for camping. Now, this channel is really about fixing vans and not doing van tours, but this build was so cool I felt like I had to do one. So here's Mark from American Van Works, and he's going to tell you why this van even exists.
This van craze that we're looking at now at the Adventure Van Expo probably started in around 2008 in baby steps to where it is today, which is crazy off the wall. It's a really cool business. So we were always building commercial vans and such. Then with the invent of the Sprinter vans and the high roof vans, people found other ideas. You could make a camper out of it, right? And turn it into something camping. Well, people also found out that businesses could use vans in many different ways. This particular van is for UCI hospitals. They're a Southern California hospital provider. And we built this for prostate cancer awareness. So the van is built to save lives. What we're doing with this is we're going to different events, mainly events that have to do with men, that we can lure them in, so to speak, so we can do prostate exams through blood draws. So it's non-invasive. It's a simple blood draw. They take the sample back, they're going to get the value of it. So this is made for that particular thing, this part of the bench right here. We've got blood draw tables here for the arms. You can lift them up, find the comfortable position for the patient, okay, and do the blood draws. We're going to keep the blood in the refrigerators in the van till they get back to the hospital and they can do the analysis of that. This van's built with a lot of care. Again, it's made to be the manly van. So guys are going to come up and look at it by having dark cabinets, kind of get that bar, smoky, cigar kind of whiskey feel to attract the male audience. It's completely insulated with sound insulation from SoundSkin, 3M thin slide insulation, AM auto windows throughout the whole thing. We've got sliding windows, sliding windows, sliding windows at the door. We have JMG seating up in the front. These seats will pivot 360 degrees. Nomadic 12 volt AC powered with Expion 900 amps worth of power. Illuminous tricked out the outside. Do you want to go outside and see this stuff?
Let's do it.
Okay. Again, the outside of the van, this is meant to draw the male audience, so we've made it bold. The Ricker wheels, this was a dually. Turned this into a super single with these wheels here. You don't lose any of the value of the payload of the van, so this can still be used for its purpose. Again, the sliding windows on the side from AM Auto, illuminous roof racks up on the top of the van. Baja Design lighting. Again, the manly look, right? To do this. So
tell us a bit about the conversion, because I don't see too many super singles and I don't see too many super dualies converted into super singles. So tell us a little bit about that. That's just a tire swap.
It's just a wheel tire swap.
Love it.
And
okay.
So it makes it look.
Brakes or anything.
Nope. You can. Okay. And if you were doing this to be the purposeful off-road vehicle, you would do some suspension work on top of that. But this is just a show piece. And
yeah, that's not the goal, right?
Yeah, it wasn't the goal. It was just to bring attention to the guys. Up in the front.
Those 3-leaf springs. What
Yep.
year is this again?
25.
20, oh, wow.
2025.
So this is the new all-wheel drive one.
All-wheel drive. Brand new. So we have the luminous front bumper with the Baja Design lights, a Warren winch on there. A whole bunch of Baja Design lights up on the top.
Nice.
And the cool factor.
Cool factor.
Yeah, so here at the Adventure Van Expo, today we did 24 blood draws to promote prostate cancer awareness. September was the Prostate Cancer Awareness Month, and so we're a little behind that piece here, but it was really cool. Tomorrow we hope to get another 24.
Love it.
And
I'll be here tomorrow morning.
the goal's 1,000 by the end of the year, right?
Goal.
So we probably had 14 at the unveiling, 24, whatever that math is, 38, and then it's a tough goal to get, but 1,000 would be pretty cool.
Mark, tell us again, how long you've been converting vans for?
I've been doing this my whole life, so I'll be 50 years next year building vans and trucks. We're kind of one of the original guys doing this stuff.
One of the OG guys.
Yes.
For sure. I think I've seen some of your videos. tell us your company's name one more time?
American Van Works, American camper shells and van works. So we sell truck caps, big Lance and North Star pop-up truck campers, commercial van work, that's a big specialty for us too, and other special vehicles for the police and fire departments, and our beautiful lifestyle vans, American Van Works.
And where are you based out of?
Orange County, Stanton, California, by Disneyland and Knott's Berry Farm.
Ultimately, it's really rare to see a business-centric van build that's designed so thoughtfully. And I'd really love to see more vans like this in business settings. As always, fix your own van. This channel's all about fixing stuff. So if you're not someone who likes to fix stuff, please don't subscribe because you're really not going to like most of my videos. Speaking of which, YouTube thinks you'll like this video next.